Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this color. So I spread my got2b big glue on my closure net and left it to dry. Then I added hot water into my bowl. I poured my adorder in Clover and sweet mint and mixed. Lastly, I poured my adorder in Jade. I used the kitchen towel to check if I have gotten the shade I wanted, then I put my wig in it. After bringing it out of the bowl, I used cold water to rinse it till the green color stopped coming out of the wig. So I applied my Tresemme shampoo and rinsed it. Lastly, I applied my treatment to the wig. And this was what it looked like when it got dried. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.